So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made this sink cabinet right here. All right, so this is my sink cabinet base, and let me show you how I put this all together. Okay, so this is the base for my sink cabinet, and the carcass is all done. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to make two drawers and the doors for it. But we have a very large sink that goes in here, and this is cut out to fit it so that it makes sure it fits all the way in here. And these two spaces right here are going to be drawers. Now, They're probably just going to be flip open drawers. They're either going to be locked in there or flip open drawers. I haven't decided which yet. So I'll figure that out. But I have about 3 or 4 inches in here that I can play with, and I'll work on those. Okay, so this cabinet here is pretty much open in the back, and the reason for that is I have all kinds of plumbing here, and I have some cables and hose that are going to go from this end over here into the dishwasher, which sits on this side, and another cabinet's going to sit on this side here, which I will be making next. Now, like I said, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these. These are either going to be false fronts or small little flip out doors to hold maybe sponges and washcloths, things like that. Now, these two open spaces here and here are going to be vertical rollout shelves, and they're going to be big enough to hold like spray bottles and things like that. All of this, I'm going to, once I get it set up into the kitchen and I know where all my plumbing goes, I'm going to make some pullouts for that. But for right now, I'm just going to have 2 doors on the front here. These are going to have 2 drawer fronts, and these are going to have 2 drawer fronts also. So pretty basic construction, just like the rest of my cabinets. And that's how it all went together. Just glue and screw on most of the stuff. On the sides here, I didn't worry about screwing them in with the screws from the side because neither one of these sides are going to be seen by anybody, so I don't have to worry about that. None of this area up here is going to be seen by anybody. The only part that's going to be seen is going to actually be just this area down here once the cabinet is done. I appreciate you tagging along on this video and watching how I did this. Be sure to check out the next video where I'm going to show you how I made the 2 side pull-out drawers. And then on the 3rd video in this series, I'm going to show you how I'm going to make all the doors and drawers and the front covers for the pull-outs. Hit that subscribe button and that bell so you get notifications so that when those videos come out, you can keep right up. Thanks for watching.